before Senator Lankford.
I have just two quick questions on this. One
Oh,
is,
by the way, Senator Carper's statement will be entered in the record without objection.
I just want to ask for any additional clarification on the intellectual property. There's been much spoken about the protection of IP and what that means and the additional layers on that, and I have one follow-up question after that.
Well, there's a number of improvements we've made in this agreement. Again, the NAFTA is a very old agreement, and in IP terms, perhaps ancient applies to that. So some of the upgrades that we have included here, the minimum term of protection for copyright works for authorship is plus 70 years and is 75 years from publication. We've added new deterrent civil and criminal penalties for camcording, which has been a particular problem in this area in recent years. There's authority now for border enforcement officials to stop goods that are suspected of being pirated or counterfeited at points of entry. We don't have that authority without this agreement. We have the highest standards.
That's for all three nations, by the way.
Correct. Yes, all of these would be applied across the board by all three countries. We have the highest standards for procedural safeguards regarding geographical indications. Again, that's an important issue with respect to some other trading partners outside of North America. We've got the strongest standards in any U.S. trade agreement for the protection of trade secrets against misappropriation, civil and criminal causes of action, litigation protections, and so forth. I'm going on at great length, just a couple of more very quickly. There are both criminal and civil remedies for cable and satellite signal theft. There's full national treatment to prevent discrimination against U.S. protectors, and there's strong protection against circumvention of technological protection to protect digital content. So those are the highlights of this new chapter that go beyond the original agreement.
Thank you. One additional follow-up. There are 7 treaties that are mentioned in the protocol amendment. Are there any additional American obligations for those 7 existing treaties? Those treaties are mentioned, but are there additional American obligations that are added in this agreement?
Right. There are no additional U.S. obligations.
Thank you.